Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you how to do this DIY sunburst mirror. So here are the materials needed: mirror, barbecue sticks, glue gun, glue sticks, spray paint. So for the first step, you need to draw patterns at the back of the mirror. Once you're done doing the patterns, it is now time to put the sticks at the back of the mirror using the glue gun. So once you are done, put some more glue to make time to put some colors on it. I am using this Bosny spray paint in the shade gold. This is available on Shopee, guys. Please check the link on the description box. And now we are done. I'm using this waterproof wall sealing tape to put the sunburst mirror on the wall. This is also available on Shopee, guys. Please check the link on the description box. So here's the finished product of our DIY Sunburst mirror. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!